Well, I'm in the middle of my job here at work, and now I have to run home real fast because the fire department's showing at my house because the neighbor called, said the smoke alarms are going off. This cop showed up, said he could smell something burning, but you know, we're in a town where my thing here is still beeping on me here. So it's dinging me out here. It's bothering my phone. So yeah, I gotta leave work early on a key event day. So it's like 2 points you get. It's, you know, really bad to leave on a day where it's busy like this in the middle of the holiday season because a damn smoke alarm's going off. So I have to keep you guys posted here, but I already know what's going on. They're junk. It's a kid at junk alarms you buy at Walmart. That's what happens when you buy stuff at 4-pack at Walmart for cheap. Got a smoke alarm going off. Gotta go home. Yeah, I'm not really in a too big of a rush to get home. I kind of already know what's going on. I guess they claim that they smell smoke, but the cop smells smoke, but he can't see smoke. They're gonna put the fire department on standby until I get there to clear the scene. I got to go in the house and make sure there's nothing smoldering in there because that could be very well the case. You really never, ever, ever should take an alarm for granted. When you're having a smoke alarm going off in your house, you always want to make sure you take it, you know, you want to take it serious. It just keeps dinging my phone. Oh no, it's on fire. Oh, it's my flame bulbs. Oh, somebody's not happy. Where is it at? Where? Ah! I can hear it. Fire. Is it you? Ah! Quiet! All right, I think we fixed it. Well, you can be quiet now. It's already, I already silenced that alarm. He's still beeping. Oh, it was you. You caused all these problems with me today. It was you. Oh, I'm gonna Garrett Claridge your. You mother. Give it to me. I wonder why I would think I'd have a fire hazard. Look at all this crap in here. That's not plugged in anymore. I'm done owing them people money. Where are you at? Ah! Oh, I'm gonna say so happy. I'm gonna Garrett Claridge you. Yeah. You better not. Don't you dare make another chirp. You know, the only good thing in that whole thing was the battery, and it's probably weak by now. So we're going to go ahead and just we're gonna throw that away. You know, recycle it. Junk. All right, we gotta do a safety sweep of the house. We've had smoke detectors going off, and I just think we found out the issue. But we're gonna do a safety check just in case. Make sure it's all safe. There's no smoldering outlets and stuff stinking and smelling like burning plastic and trash. Neighbor was burning trash earlier, so that means that we've got some smoke infiltration into the house and could potentially set a smoke alarm off. I'm going to do a full safety check of all the electrical equipment. Make sure all the breaker boxes are looking good. All right, let's do this. Okay. This breaker don't have anything labeled on it. Something wrong there. Doesn't matter though. As long as it's still passing the juice. Alright, checking here. Make sure the breakers are not hot. No, we're good in there. That was the offending unit, so you no longer have that in the circuit. Got a cover missing there. I'm gonna put that on level 2, section 7C. Warning, but no enforcement at this time. Yeah, we got a proper ground on that. We did ohm that out and check that, so that's good to go. We got an ohm on that, so we're good on that for ground. Let's see here. No smiling over here. Visual inspection on all these outlets. Alright. It's all sketchy electrical, but I don't see any melting or burning of wires. Oh, I forgot to reset these. Oh, here. Oh, it's not even plugged in. There's some low voltage there. So there's a thermostat.
Smoke testing. This is very loud. Press now to cancel test. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fire. Test complete.
I don't smell any smoke, but it seems like a German Shepherd has penetrated this area, so we're going to have to go and neutralize the situation. Hank, you better not get in there. You're being a bad boy. You're a bad boy, Hank. Getting in that room. Bad boy. You're a bad boy. You're a bad boy, Hanky boy. Bad boy. Yeah. Why'd you get in there? You open the door up. Why'd you open up the door? So as a master electrician, I demand this piece of equipment be opened for inspection. I don't smell anything, no wires burnt anywhere, so proper grounding is on. Display is reading all the proper data. Okay, it's all good. There's exposed wiring in there, but I don't think that's the problem either. I believe the hot wire is capped off. Although it's not the most ideal setup, but I don't smell any smoke over here. They're working all perfectly great. No problemos. Yeah, don't do this. Stuff breaks usually. I've cleared out the entire house, looking through every little nook and cranny to see if there's any kind of smoke or damage, something that leads me to a fire, but I didn't find anything. So I'm going to clear the house, reset everything, check all the logs, reset the alarms, make sure we're ready to go just in case I have to drive home, at reckless speeds to get to my dogs. So you guys have a good night. Anybody ever own German Shepherds, you know that they just melt your heart right down, and you worry about them every minute of your day.